welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I am going to do a setup with me / plan with me for the month of December in my Plotter Mini 6. I just wanted to share how I've been using this planner to prepare for the month. I did start using this early November. If you guys are interested in what it looks like, I posted a video last week. I'll link it in the cards right now. And it's pretty much just a review of my 2024. And then I posted another video that previews my 2025 system. So if you guys are interested, check out both. I do a little flip of this guy in that video and kind of just show you how I've been using it. But for now, let's set it up for the upcoming month. I cannot believe it's already December. The year is about to end. So yeah, it's crazy. I have this pocket planner. It's just a clear cover. I got it from Amazon. So it just houses the inserts that I have that are going to be ready for next year. But let me just pull out the ones that I'm going to use for December. So I have them printed and cut already. So to start off, before I go with my inserts, I want to introduce the planner. This is the Plotter Mini 6. Like I said, the reason why it's called 6 is because it has 6 rings. Plotter does have 4 sizes. They have an A5 size, a Bible size, which is pretty comparable to Personal. They have the Mini 6, which is this one, and it's also comparable to a Pocket. And there's a Mini 5, which is smaller than this one. It has 5 rings only. This is the Pueblo leather, and I believe I'm deciding which color this is. I don't know if it's navy or it's black. I did get this pre-loved, and I totally forgot what the color is in the description when I bought it, but it's in really good condition still. It has the silver kind of like back plate right here. It's really pretty. It has these tiny rings, you guys can see. I believe I want to say 11mm rings, but don't be fooled by that size because it can carry a lot. I have seen videos of people filling up, like really stuffing their plotter with a lot of inserts, and it's crazy how much things can fit in this tiny thing. So I am going to probably like take out some of my November stuff. We're still on the last week of November. December is next week. I might leave the last week, the daily. I won't take the monthly out, and because I only have 2 months in here, it's not really that big of a deal. And as far as inserts, I did print my weeklies, like I said. So the weeklies that I have are pocket freebies from Puffin Pages Co. If you go to their website, they have some freebies that you can print out in different sizes. So this is the weekly that I'm using right now. It's a week on 2 pages. So it has a Sunday start up to Saturday. There's to-dos, and there's just the space right here. I'll show you guys an example of how I use that when everything goes together. And then my dailies, I do have this freebie as well from Peanuts Planner Co. It's also the pocket size, and it's just a daily without the times on this column. So it has a grid and a line column. Love that. And then after my dailies, I did make some dashboards on Canva, and they're just holiday themed dashboards. So I have these trees. Of course, cannot not have my penguins. And this pretty dashboard has like lights and ornaments and stuff, so cute. And then this one, I just found this graphic. It was really pretty, and then I just put "'Tis the Dance Season." I always listen to that song for the holidays. It's Taylor Swift's song, Evermore, one of my favorite albums. So it's perfect. And then if you guys notice, these are taller and narrower than the pocket because I did make these inserts to the Plotter Mini size. The original inserts for the Plotter Mini are taller and narrower than normal pocket size, and I do like the look of that because like pocket sometimes kind of seems a little like square to me, and I do like that it's taller. And of course I am going to use the plotter inserts. I kind of just want my inserts to be the same size for next year. This year, obviously, I'm only using it for 2 months, and I just wanted to try the size out just to give it a test run before, you know, committing to it for the new year next year. And I did, and I really like it. And obviously I have my new planner already and everything, so I am pretty much good to go. But I didn't want to buy new inserts that are just pocket, so I just downloaded freebies. And there's so many freebies out there, guys. If you are wanting to try out a new size, I recommend buying a cheap cover like this guy from Amazon. I think this was, I want to say $7, and then just download freebies online. As long as you have a printer, a paper cutter, and the puncher, you are good to go. You can try any size you liked. So without further ado, let us go and plan and set up the month. Okay, so that is all done. Let me just do a quick flip. I have my penguin dashboard right here, so cute. And I still have my inbox pages, so I'm using these literally lined inserts from Plotter as my inbox. And then here's our little Christmas dashboard. I really like this one, it's so cute. And then I have my December monthly. As you guys have seen in the video, I did make a mistake. I had the work in brown, but then I used blue to mark my work days. So I changed everything and nothing, that's why we have whiteout, guys, and it's totally fine. So I really like this simple highlighter idea. I just, mark the days, and then if I do have appointments, I don't have anything scheduled for December, but if I do, I will mark them in brown and then just write whatever the appointment is. And then I have my other Christmas dashboard, and then I'm leaving this week's in here. I will take it out once this week is over, but just to give you an overview on what my week looks like. So I do have this week in this column. I am literally using it as a to-do column. And then this week is kind of like a summary of the things that I want to do. Sometimes it does overlap with my to-do column, but I don't know, I kind of just like little summaries. Like I want to do some YouTube plans, like my 7-day work stretch starting Wednesday, and then the food that I'm gonna make for the week. So I just like to do that, and then I've just highlighted my events for the week. And then here, you guys see me struggle decorating this little page because this doll sticker, it just, I don't know, it was like really perfect, but then also I feel like it's a statement on its own. I didn't want to add other stuff in it, so it worked out. And the letter stickers that I have, I did get these from Amazon. And this one, I want to say either Temu or AliExpress. I have so many of these. I really need to start using them more. Star stickers. And then this one, I believe I got it from Daiso. And I just wrote the dates on the weeklies. And then here are my dailies. So I am pretty much kind of using them like this. I would just write my to-dos here on this side if there's not a lot of events, because this part is too small for me. So, and it works out. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is today. So I'm going to film and I'm filming right now. And then this one is bigger because it is the grid insert that I had Lindsay make for me to just test out the size. And it's great. I don't want to print any more of these because I'm only using pocket, like real pocket, for December, and then after that I'm switching to actual plotter size, obviously, for the new year. And then I just dated them using my handy dandy date stamp. And yeah, and then I just added like my last deco, and these ones I kind of kept the same. These are my commonplace pages, and then my little folder with all the notes that I had from our trip, and there we go. So it is a pretty simple setup, like I said, and I am pretty happy with it. I am just content with having month weekdays and then a little inbox for all the random things, and then my commonplace pages. I still need really to figure out if my commonplace pages section will live with my planner or my journal for next year. So once I figure that out, I will be talking about it more in future videos. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it. It's nothing extravagant, nothing unique, and nothing new, but it's a setup that makes me happy, a setup that keeps me productive and on top of things, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And future videos that you might like, I'm kind of just bringing back some of my routine videos that I used to do, like a setup with me, flips, plan with me, and then just chit chats here and there. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.